DJI Osmo Mobile 2 hands-on, DJI's smartphone gimbal gets lighter and less expensive. DJI revealed an update to its excellent Osmo Mobile smartphone gimbal at CES 2018 in Las Vegas, and there's plenty to like, including a new, lower price. DJI Osmo Mobile 2 price and release date. The DJI Osmo Mobile 2 is going to release at £139 and available to pre-order exclusively from Apple on January 23. After this, it'll become available from the DJI store and elsewhere from early February. The original Osmo Mobile is currently available for £219, so that's a new, lower price for the updated model. What's new with the DJI Osmo Mobile 2? Aside from that lower price, there's a number of new elements to the Osmo Mobile 2. The first thing you'll notice is how much lighter it is in your hands. DJI says it's made from high-strength modified nylon, which goes some way to explain how it's shed the pounds. I had the chance to borrow one for the day during season. Carrying it around the show floor, the reduced weight was noticeable and very welcome. The clamp that holds your smartphone can now pivot between portrait and landscape orientations, which is also new. DJI told me this was to appeal to live streamers such as those using Instagram Live Stories to broadcast to their adoring public. There's a tripod thread in the bottom for attaching to other accessories, which is perfect if you want to capture a motion time-lapse. As before, the Osmo Mobile 2 works with the DJI Go app after pairing with your phone over Bluetooth. This will let you use the shutter button on the Osmo Mobile 2 to begin recording or snap a still image. There's also a zoom rocker on the side that will let you adjust the digital zoom on your phone's camera. DJI Go will also make it easy to capture those motion time lapses I mentioned, as well as producing interesting effects such as dolly zooms. Where the original Osmo Mobile had a replaceable battery, it's now a fixed battery for the newer model. It's not the worst news, though, as the battery life has now been bumped up to around 15 hours on a single charge, which is a big jump up on the original 5 hours. A multi-function power button lets you toggle between follow and lock modes, as well as a triple press swapping to your front-facing camera quickly. A joystick lets you adjust the camera angle manually. First impressions. Walking around the busy CES show floor, it was obvious that the Osmo Mobile 2 did an equally stellar job at stabilizing using its 3-axis gimbal as the original. Walking footage looks silky smooth and free of shakes, but still as floaty as every other gimbal. But when the alternative is nausea-inducing footage, I'll happily take that. The new, much lower price is going to make the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 a very tempting prospect for any videographers looking to use their smartphones for video, and makes it competitive against some of its rivals. The DJI Go app also remains one of the better gimbal companion operators out there. Be sure to check back later for a full review as soon as I can get one in.